What's up guys, Nick here, back with another quick iOS tips that could totally save your day. If your iPhone gets stuck on the Apple logo while updating and just won't respond, here's how you can fix it. First, try a force restart to get out of it. Press volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears again. Your iPhone will force restart. Once it reboots, check your network connection. Sometimes a weak or unstable Wi-Fi connection can cause the update to get stuck. Next, check your storage. If your iPhone doesn't have enough space for the update, you'll need to delete some files to make room for a system to install properly. After that, you can try updating your iPhone again. Now, if your buttons aren't working and you can't force restart, you can use another iPhone to help fix it. Place the two iPhones close to each other, then connect the problematic iPhone to a computer. Press volume up, then volume down, and keep holding the power button until you see the recovery mode screen. This part is similar to a force restart. Once it enters recovery mode, keep pressing the power button until the Apple logo starts flashing, then release it. The nearby iPhone will detect that there's an issue with the other device. Tap Continue, enter the pairing code, then choose System Recovery. This will complete the update using the other iPhone. Super convenient. If you don't have another iPhone, you can also use a computer with iTunes or Finder. Connect your iPhone to the computer and put it into recovery mode. Open iTunes, it will detect that your iPhone needs to be fixed. Click Update, and it will reinstall the firmware without erasing your data. But honestly, iTunes can be pretty unreliable. So the tool I use the most is ReiBoot. Yeah, it's paid, but it has fixed almost every issue I've had. Just download it from the link in the description, connect your iPhone to your computer, and once ReiBoot detects your device, click Enter Recovery Mode. It takes just one click, and within seconds your iPhone will enter recovery mode. Then click Start Repair, choose Standard Repair, and download the firmware package. The download speed depends on your internet. Once it's done, click Repair and ReiBoot will reinstall your iOS system. I've used this to fix endless reboot loops, black screens, white screens, all of it without going to a repair shop. After the repair is complete, your iPhone will restart and exit the Apple logo screen. Super simple. That's everything for today. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm Nick, and I'll see you in the next one.